this morning, cup of coffee and a heart full of hope, a piece of heaven to hold.
Ay, enjoy niyo yung buhay niyo. Ang sabi ni God, mag-anak ng marami para happy ang family.
Happy Bemba!
First of all, napakaswerte mo dahil ako ang mapapangasawa mo.
You're the sun in my rain, you're the light in my room, you're the smile on my face, you're the flowers in June, and there's just something about you, can't imagine life without you, you're the joy of everything that I do, ever since I found you, ever since I found you. Because
Hi, Bibi. Ito na yung pangarap mong CP. You deserve it, pero mas deserve mo ang isang kagaya ko. I love you so much.
Thank you, baby, kasi kailangan to, ang bobo ko mag-drive. Thank you so much and I love you. You are the best.
New beginning. You're the sun in my rain, you're the light in my room, you're the smile on my face, you're the flowers in June, and there's just something about you, can't imagine life without you, you're the joy of everything that
Yay! I am now Mrs. Kilantang!
found you, found you, ever since I found you, ever since I found you, ever since I found you, oh, ever since I found you.
Mahal ko, ito na yung araw na hinihintay natin. Yung big day. We are finally getting married. Ang aking palaging hiling na sana ay may magmahal sa akin ng tapat. At ikaw yan, mahal. I always tell you that. You have been the very best thing that ever happened to me.
Bagong bilis nyo naman, naiwan kami.
Streams are ever flowing through the fields of wildflowers.
From the moment that I met you, I have already foreseen this moment. Since then, I always dreamed of marrying you.
Sa araw na ito, you are entering a commitment that is always lifelong, a lifetime commitment. Today, Joyce Gabriel at Mariel, you are choosing not the best, but you are choosing the one that the Lord has prepared for you.
I promise to choose you every single day. And when I say choose you, I am referring to you, my one and only. Kaya maraming salamat po, Panginoon. May kapal, isang biyaya ang makaisang dibdib ang taong ito na pinakamamahal ko.
At ngayon naniniwala ako sa Lord na ibibigay pala niya talaga yung para sa atin. Sa tamang panahon, sa tamang pagkakataon.
Thank you.
Joyce Gabriel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mariel na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father. Siguradong sigurado po.
Ipinaramdam mo sa akin na mas may isasaya pa ang buhay ko. Ipinaramdam mo sa akin na mas malakas ako kapag kasama kita sa lahat ng bagay. At sa mga pagkakataon na mahina ako, kailanman hindi mo ako pinabayaan.
Dreams are catching flight, breaking paradise. Only happens right this very moment.
To be honest, napaka-family-oriented ni Mariel. As in, nakita ko sa kanya na inuuna niya lagi yung pamilya niya kesa sa sarili niya. Kaya doon ko siya mas minahal. At syempre, maganda.
Felt like a feather up in the clouds.
Thank you po kasi pinalaki niyo akong mabuting bata. Hindi na pala akong bata ngayon. Thank you so much po. Nagkaroon ako ng mabubuting magulang. Thank you.
Sweetheart.
you.
Wala ako dito kung wala ka. Wala to kung wala ka. Kaya maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal kita.
all around me when I found you.
Mahal, ngayong tayo ay magiging isa na, ipinapangako ko sa iyo, sa harap ng Diyos at sa lahat ng makakasaksi ng ating pag-iisang dibdib, na aalagaan at mamahalin kita. Napipiliin kita sa hirap at saya, sa sakit at kalakasan, hanggang sa aking huling hininga. Araw-araw kitang mamahalin. Finally, asawa ko. I love you so much.
Chill.
It felt like a breeze that came dancing through and swept me to place.
Bubu, pinapangako ko sa iyo na kailanman ay hindi kita lolokohin at patutunayan ko sa iyo yan araw-araw. My loyalty for you will be for lifetime. Tandaan mo yun, hindi ako magloloko. Yan, isave mo pa yung video na to. I'll see you later. I love you. Pagkatapos ng araw na ito, wala nang uuwian dahil ikaw na ang uuwian. Ang bagong tahanan sa bagong kabanata ng ating buhay.
Pwede na kayong magbigayan ng inyong matamis na halik bilang mag-asawa. Palakpakan po natin sila.